Hello there, today I'm going to do some work on the Ducati Multistrada 1260s. I'm going to remove the back wheel to get a new back tyre fitted, and while the back wheel's off I'm going to replace the rear brake pads. So as you can see, that back tyre has had some amount of fun out it. In fact, probably about 5,500 miles, and that's it just right on those wear indicators. So the first thing we're going to do is remove the exhaust. To do that, we need to take these three studs off this cover. Which will give us access to the spring. There's a wee spring under here that holds the end can onto the rest of the exhaust, and you can see it there. And I've just used a little hook to unhook it. And then the last thing we need to do is take this bolt out up here. And then this exhaust should just slip off. So to remove the back wheel, there's a clip on this nut. You just take a pair of pliers and work it off. It sits in a little groove, a bit like a circlip. And then I've got this, I think it's 54mm bi-point socket on a buzz gun here. And that's it off. And then the back wheel should just come off like that. So to remove the rear pads, you need to remove this retaining pin here. And to do that, there's these small clips, and they just pull out. And there's another one there. And you can see they're actually called R clips because they're shaped like a letter R. And then that pin, there you go, will help it along. The pads just slide up and lift out. There's still a wee bit of lining material on there, but I am going away for 3 or 4 days, and I think I'll just put the new pads in it when I've got them. So once you've got the old pads removed, just in here, you can't really see it too well, but you've got your pistons that push against the pads. Now because the new pads are obviously thicker, I need to create a bit of space in here. So I'm just going to put this screwdriver in and gently start to lever it across. And while I'm doing that, I can feel pressure and I can feel the pistons moving. So just check that the calipers also moving freely on the sliders. And make sure you put these pads in the right way. And it's really just a case of sort of feeling that they're slotting into the right bit. I'm obviously trying to do this so that you can see what I'm doing, but it's not very easy to do it. I think that one's in. And then we just need to slide the pin back through. Now, some folk would, don't know, they put like anti-slip compound and stuff on there, but I always like to put these pins in dry because then you've not got any dirt or anything sticking to them. So you push that back through, and then your little R clips. Now this is a bit tricky because you've got to try and find the hole. That's that one. And the second one goes in there. And that's it. That's your rear pads done. So I'll end the video here, and getting the new tyre fitted sometime this week, and then I'll put the wheel back on. And I think the rear cush drives are being changed at some point, so there'll probably be another video showing that shortly. Okay, thanks for watching.